morning, dear children. Nice to see you again. So in continuation of the previous work, we were doing multiplication. And we learned that multiplication is repeated addition. And I had shown you a lot of examples there. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Do you remember? Yes, we had got the answer 10. How many 2's were there? 5. Into 2, 10. So multiplication is basically a faster way of calculating things. And then we learned how to multiply by tens, hundreds and thousands. And when we multiply any number with 10, 100 or 1000, we write the same number that is given in front and add only the zeros. So easy, yes or no? And there are three parts to a multiplication. The first part here is known as the multiplicand. What? It is known as the multiplicand. And this 5 is known as the multiplier, because you are going to multiply this number. This is known as the multiplier. And when we do the sum, when we multiply the multicand and the multiplier, we get an answer. And the answer is known as the product. Again, there are three parts when we do this multiplication. This one number is known as the multiplicand. This 5 is known as the multiplier, and this is known as the product, whatever answer we get. Now this is done in horizontal way of multiplication. Now we can arrange this in a different way. 315 into 5. Again, this is what? The multiplicand, and this is the multiplier. And the answer that we get? Good. It's known as the product. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. 5 3s are 15. Remember, when you multiply, the number should be one below the other. But before we do this, let us try some sums in this way, as we have done multiplying by 10, by 100 and by 1000. Now let's try horizontal multiplication, and then we'll do it in the second way, in which we arrange and multiply. So let me give you 5, 6 sums. 413 into 10. This is a revision of previous work. So let me put some numbers now. 3, 2, 4 multiplied by 2. Okay? 7, 5, 6 multiplied by 4. 8, 6, 7 multiplied by 5. 2, 3, 4, 1 multiplied by 6. Now are we ready to get the answers? Yes or no? Okay. So when numbers are multiplied by 10, 100 and 1000, you just write this number 413 and add that 0. And most of you got it right. Very good. You have been doing a test. Good. You got it right. So today we are not going to multiply with 10, 100 and 1000, but we are going to put numbers here now. Let's see how we can do it. Now we must always start multiplying from the ones, tens, 100. Again, ones, tens, 100. So first 2 and 4. 2 4s are 8. So we must write, because we are multiplying from the ones column, we must write 8 in the ones column. Okay? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. And just an example. 2 4s are 8. Again we have to multiply the next number. 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, I hope you understand. Then 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. So the answer we got is 648. Let's try another one now, where there is carry over. Now 4 6 are 24. Now there's two numbers, 24. So whatever in the ones column, write it here in the ones column, and whatever is there in the tens column, carry it. You can put it here, or you can keep it in your mind, or put it in your fingers. Again, 4 6 are 24. Okay, you got that? Very good. 4 6 are 24. Now let's multiply the next number. Remember that 2 has been carried. Some of you may have it in your mind, some of it may have it in your finger. So let's do it. 4 5s are 20. And plus 2, 22. 22. Okay, so this 2 comes in the tens column because we are multiplying the tens. 22. And the other 2 goes into the hundreds. So 4 7s are 28. Plus 2, 29. Okay, let's do that again. 4 6 are 24. Instead of writing there, you can carry it here. It will be easier. Whichever is the first number, carry that. The second number, write it down. 4 6 are 24. 4 is the second number. Next, 4 5s are 20. Plus 2, 22. 22. 4 7s are 28. Is it 28? Yes. 29, 30. So, I got the answer wrong. So, let's rub it out. Again, 4 7s are 28. Plus 2, 20. Plus 2, 30. So we've got 3024. Sometimes we make mistakes. Okay, so you must redo to recheck. I make that on purpose because we are children and we make mistakes when we do try and do the work quickly. So that's why we teachers tell you to check. Let's do the third one. 5 7s are 35. Put the first number 30 and 5. 5 6 are 30 plus 3 33. 33. 5 8s are how much? 40 plus 3 43. So we must write both the numbers here because there is no more numbers. We have finished our sum. 5 6 are 30 plus 3 33. 5 8s are 40 plus 3 43. Now let me do mentally now. Okay? Now without drawing lines, let's try and do. Are you ready? Okay. 6 1s are 6. Start writing on the ones column. 6 1s are 6. 6 4s are 24. You can write here 24. 6 3s are 18. 19, 20. 2 0. 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14. Okay, you got that right? Did you understand? Let's try one more. 4 6 5 into 9 equals. Ready? I hope you know your tables. You have been told to learn your tables from February. The first page that you open in your maths Excel book, we had done tables. And some of you still haven't learned. Please make sure During these holidays, when you have time, learn the tables, because whatever we are going to do from now onwards is based on multiplication tables. You just need to learn from 2 to 9. Okay, now let's get back. 9 5s are 45. Let's write 4 here, 40 and 5. 9 6s are 54. 54 plus 4, 58. 9 4s are 36. Plus 5, 41. Let's check again. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. Plus 4, 58. 9 4s are 36. Plus 5, 41. I hope you have understood. Now, there will be some questions given to you as a self-assessment test. First, see the video how it's done, and then try and do it like this. Now, let's get back to the other type of sum where the sums are arranged. Now, you have been doing it from class 1, you had done it in class 2, in class 3. So, this is just a revision of the things that you have done before. So, let's write some numbers. Now, this work will be given as homework. 2, 4, 1, 3 into, let's use a small number, 2. 2 3s are 6. First multiply with this, then multiply with 1. 2 1s are 2. Don't forget to write it below the top number. 2 4s are 8. And 2 2s are 4. First with 3, write your answer here. Then with 1, write your answer here. Then with 4, write your answer here. Then with 2, write your answer here. Is that clear? I know many of you know how to do it. Let's try another number, a bigger number. 4 6 0 8. Multiply by 5. Okay, are we ready? 5 8s are 40. 4 and 0. So we write 4 here on top and 0. Now, what I noticed was in class, you were multiplying with the caret number. We should not multiply with the caret number. The caret number has to be added. We must multiply with the number that is given here. In the multiplicand, it is 0. This 4 is just the caret number. So let's do it. 5 zeros are 0. And remember, when you multiply any number with 0, it's always 0. 5 zeros are 0. Now what number is here? 4. 0 plus 4, 4. I hope you got this. Some of you have to rectify a mistake because what you do is 5 4s are 20. You write the answer that. You multiply with the wrong number. You should never multiply with the caret number. The number in the multiplicand is 0. Multiply with this number and add the caret number. 5 zeros are 0 plus 4, 4. 5 6 are 30. How to write 30? 3 0. 3 and below 6 0. 5 4s are 20. And some of you forget to add this caret number. Again, 5 4s are 20, 21, 22, 23. Remember, there's two numbers. Make sure that the second number comes below 4. So 2 we can put in front and 3 below 4. So let's put a comma. 1s, 10s, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000. Are you understanding? Very good. So let me do 5, 6, 4, 7. Multiply by 9. Ready? 9 7s are 63. 6 and 3. 6, and 3, 63. 9 4s are 36 plus 6, 42. 9 6 are 54 plus 4, 58. 5 and 8, 58. 9 5s are 45 plus 5, 50. Remember not to put 50 like this. I have told you here, there, that this 0 should be below 5 and this 5 in front. So let me rub that out because we tend to make mistakes. So how do we write? We write 5 in front and that 0 comes below 5. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. 10,000. Good. I hope you understand it. The last sum now. Number 5, 6, 7, 8 multiplied by, let's have 7. I hope you are understanding. So let's do that. 7 8s are 56. 5 and 6. Now let's multiply 7 and 7. 7 7s are 49 plus 5, 54. 54. Now 7 and 6. 7 6 are 42 plus 5, 47. 47. Make sure that you write the numbers one below the other. So again, the last 7 5s are 35 plus 4, 39. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. So we got the answer 39,746. So children, when we multiply any number with 10, 100 and 1000, we just add the zeros, write the same number and add the zeros. We have also learned that this is the multiplicand, this is the multiplier. Again, multiplicand, multiplier, and this is the product. The answer of these two when we multiply will be the product. So make sure that you learn your tables before doing these sums. Is that clear? Because you have been told a long time back to learn the multiplication tables of 2 to 9. So take care, do your work on time.